Hey, it's me, Andy from potatoesandpearls.com, and I decided to throw together just a really quick video showing you how to make a simple seafood salad. This is one of my favorite things to kind of throw together last minute and just have in the house for like a quick dinner or a quick lunch or a quick anything. And I don't know, it's just one of my favorite summer salads. I'm going to show you how to do it right after this. Okay, so first I am gonna start with chopping up a pack of imitation crab meat. This is an 8-ounce pack. That's all you'll really need. I like getting the leg style just because it's already in the shape that I prefer for the salad. And so I cut it into long, thin strips, and then you'll see I'll cut it down again into thirds, and it makes like thin, smaller pieces, which I just like the best for this salad. That's personal preference. You could really cut it any way you want, but I just like, I guess it's a texture thing. I like it in long, thin strips. Next, I'm going to cut up my celery. I'm going to cut up about a half a cup of celery. I like to cut it in little tiny small chunks, which you'll see once I start cutting. So I normally like half the celery, then half the celery again, and then just chop it up into little small pieces like so. Next, I'm going to go ahead and cut up my onion. This was like a really big sweet onion, so I just took a small amount, which is about 1/3 cup of onion. This is once again a sweet onion, but you can use whatever type of onion you want. Sometimes I use red onion or green onion as well, but this is what I had in the refrigerator, so I was just like, I'm fine with this, and I'm cutting it up into little small chunks. So because I live in Maryland, I have access to a lot of different types of Old Bay. So the one I like to use is the lemon and herb one that I just showed on the screen. But if you don't have access to that, you can just use regular Old Bay seasoning, which you should be able to get at any grocery store. And then I also like to add in a little bit of lemon pepper to the blend as well. So I'm gonna go ahead and put in my lemon herb Old Bay seasoning. It's about 1/4 to 1/2 tablespoon. If you're watching your salt intake, you'll probably lean more to the 1/4 range, but it's really just like how much salt flavor you like or prefer. And then after that, I'm making sure it's all blended into the salad. I don't like to dump seasoning and then like not mix it up. And then I'll go ahead and add my lemon pepper, and that's gonna be like a really small amount because most lemon pepper does have a little bit of salt in it as well. And so I'm just gonna go ahead and add 1 teaspoon of lemon pepper seasoning. And the last ingredient is mayo. I'm putting in a 1/2 cup of mayo. You do not need more than that anymore, and the salad is going to become really kind of watery and goopy. You could even put in a little less than a 1/2 cup. That's, yeah, I would say like a 1/2 cup's on the high range. You put in less, you could even put in 1/4 a cup, and it's still going to be like a good tasting salad. It really does not need a lot of mayo. And that is it. We have made a really simple, really delicious seafood salad using imitation crab meat. Like I said in the beginning, I really enjoy making this salad in the summer as a quick grab and go. Like sometimes I'll be like, oh, I gotta run out of the house, I didn't eat something, and I'll just take like a little bit of this and put it in like a bowl and just take it with me in the car. It's just like a really, I don't know, it's just one of my favorite salads. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I've been trying to put together like little idea videos. If you liked it, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to click that subscribe button if this channel is for you. I talk about food, sometimes I talk about travel, sometimes I talk about other things, but mostly food. And once again, I hope you guys enjoyed. I'll see y'all next time. Bye.